What's up, guys? I hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson, and today we're going to be breaking down the concept of lead magnets. Now, within this video, there's going to be 4 separate sections, and you can find timestamps down below. But for the first section, we're going to be covering what a lead magnet actually is and just breaking down the whole concept for you. The second section, we're going to be breaking down or going through some different examples here to give you a better idea as far as what a lead magnet is and how it can be used in your own business. With, again, just some live examples that are currently out there. All right. Number 3, we're going to be breaking down where you can actually create these lead magnets and where you can create landing pages and all this good stuff, or where I prefer to do it at least. And then number 4, I'll be parting ways with you with a parting gift to help you create your own lead magnets and help brainstorm some different ideas that can be implemented for your business. All right. So what the heck is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is one of the best ways for you to build up your trust and credibility quickly with people that have either come to your website or even in person. There's ways to go about that. But you're essentially giving something of value away for free. You're giving value up front before you ever go in for an ask when it comes to sales or transactions at all. And the main reason for this is because people don't buy from anybody that they don't know, like, or trust, right? So without these key things in place, the likelihood of them actually buying what you're trying to sell, whether it's a service or actual product, is a lot lower than what you would like, right? So the best way to start off a relationship strong and build up credibility and trust quickly is to give away something of value. Again, something that someone would actually pay for if you offered it, right? And give it away for free. Okay, this could be a course, it could be a template, it could be checklists, it could be webinars, it could be live events like that. There's so many different ways you can implement this. But all you have to know is that it's just you giving away something of value for free to help basically bring people in and attract them in further into your ecosystem without making it so they feel like they have to buy something first. They are welcome first. They are seeing that you're providing value, you're there for them before you ever even ask for a credit card. To solidify this information, let's go ahead and dive into the examples I mentioned for section number 2. Now, for all these examples, you can look them up by just going in and typing the URL right here at the top if you want to go in and have some hands-on experience. You can totally do that. I encourage it just so you can see things live on your side as well. For each of these, I'm going to actually opt in. I'm going to show you what shows up on the next page so you have a better idea as far as what is happening here and how you can recreate it. Okay, so this is the first example. This is for an ebook by the name of Marketing Secrets Black Book. And if we scroll down on the page, we have a bunch of different information about the Black Book and everything you're going to get once you opt in. Right? Again, come back, explore this, check it out. But here is what we are looking at. Boom, 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 boom. Showing you everything you're going to get with this one ebook, everything included. There you go. All right, we click this button. It should take us back to the top of the page. There we are. And if we opt in, it will send us a copy of this actual ebook. Go ahead and click on the button here, and it'll take us to the next step inside of this funnel. Right from here, again, it's just letting us know that the ebook itself will be in our inbox. Check it out. Make sure that we have actually received it. It should be coming through very soon. Moving down, here's the next thing on this page, which looks like it's just a free masterclass here, where we just opt in to learn the funnel hacking secrets. There we go. All right, there's that. Again, the actual ebook itself will be sent to my email. Moving forward, we have a nutrition guide by someone named Jim Quick. This is a brain coach, and he's giving you a PDF to increase your energy, your clarity, and think faster. There we go. Here's what's on the page. And now everything on this page is going to be revolving around this specific lead magnet, which is going to be that PDF download. All right, so every button is going to be bringing us right back to the top there, so we can keep opting in, or so we can actually opt in and move forward to the next step. There we go. Now, once we actually opt in, here's where it takes us. All right, so we can actually download the PDF here in this case. Go and click this button here. There we go. You can actually view and download the actual asset. There's that. All right, moving down, here's what's on this page. Here we are. Okay, nothing crazy. It looks like they just want us to watch their YouTube videos to be introduced to their ecosystem. Moving forward, we have a lead magnet by Grant Cardone. This is going to be for a free event. This is the #1 business conference in the world. You can attend it for free. You just have to give up your name and email address, And then once you opt in, it'll give you a ticket or a link to actually access that event. All right, here we go. Again, scrolling down so you can see the rest of the page. All the buttons on this page are all trying to get them to, or get us to go back up to the top and opt in. There we go. And there we go, the bottom. When we click on any of the buttons, it takes us right back to the top. All right, when we opt in, here's what we are going to see. Become a VIP and unlock my Unbreakable Business System for free. Pretty cool. All right, so you can upgrade. It's going to take you to an order form. Actually, it might even open a pop-up. Yep, opens a pop-up where you can actually purchase that information. There we go. There we are. We don't have to say yes. We can say no. Takes us to the congratulations page. Here's what's happening on this guy. There we go. All right, how's that? All right, let's move on to the next one, which is going to be for Cody Sanchez, Contrarian Thinking. Now, this is just a list of her favorite 19 books, or her favorite books. Basically, you can opt in. She sends you a list of all of those books so you can see how she changed her life. Here's the entire page. Very short page this round. When we opt in or click on any of these other buttons, this one's just going to be scroll, I believe. But you can see it, so it's not gonna let me. There we go. This one is just gonna opt in, and oh, okay. Download is in your inbox. Cool. Interesting. I'm gonna say maybe later. All right, and here's the landing page for that confirmation. And there we are. Okay, last example. This is actually one of my own. This is for a free template that I created for you to use if you're trying to build out your own site as a service provider. This one is specifically made for contractors in mind, but can be used for anyone. All right, scrolling down. Here's what we're looking at. All right, giving us all these facts, details around the actual offer and the magnet. Okay, if I click on any of the buttons, it's going to open up the pop-up. When we opt in, here is what we see. There we go. We can actually download the template, and we're all enrolled into a course that walks you through how to implement everything for this specific template and how to use it within your business. And that leads us into section number 3, my favorite softwares for this. Now, to actually create the lead magnets, there's a few different ways you can do this. You can do it technically with like Microsoft Word and create PDFs. You can do it using Canva. That's probably the best location I end up going to, is Canva, to customize the PDFs and make it look wonderful. But when it comes to actually making landing pages just like this, you'd want to use something like ClickFunnels. And I'll actually have a link for it down below if you want to check it out and try it out for free. But it's one of the best ones out there to create virtual landing pages just like this for your live events, for lead magnets, for selling a product, basically anything you can think of. But again, there will be a link down below if you want to check it out. Have fun with that. Those are my favorite softwares. Again, have a great time. It's going to be Canva, mostly for the creative part, and then for the actual software and design the pages, it's going to be ClickFunnels. I hope you're ready to start diving into the whole lead magnet creation process here. And with that said, that leads us into section number 4, which is I created a free PDF that you'll be able to find in the description and the comment section of this video, or just down below. Check it out. There's about 240 different lead magnet ideas that you can utilize for your own business. It's categorized by different industries, but anyways, check it out. I hope this helps. And that's about it. If you have any questions about anything I covered here today, make sure to let me know down below in the comments. I'll do my best to help point you in the right direction as best I can. Otherwise, if you have any other things that you'd like me to cover in future videos, make sure to let me know down below in the comments as well. And we can go from there. All right. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will talk to you later.